Hello all, today we are going to see how an EC2 instance in an AWS can be launched. So what is an EC2 instance? So it is nothing but an elastic compute cloud offered by an AWS where we'll be having an virtual server where we can deploy our application and run it. So yeah, this is the AWS dashboard. Here we can see EC instance running is 0. So click on the instance section. So currently we don't have any instance running, and click on the launch instance. So we are going to name our instance as a demo server. So, and coming to an OS, AWS will be offering multiple OS system for EC2 instance, that is Ubuntu, Windows, Mac OS, etc. So by default we are keeping it an Amazon Linux, for as it is eligible for a free tier application, and architecture will be of 64-bit x86. And coming to the instance type, we'll be having multiple instance type, but in that we can see here those are charged per hour with an US dollars. So for beginners who wants to learn on AWS, T2 Micro is the best selection as it is a free tier eligible. And coming to the key value pair, so what is an key value pair? So this is the file which AWS gonna give us, that will be a PEM file where we can SSH from our local or terminal. So we are going to create it. Here it will be downloaded. So as previously I have configured that EC2 tutorials, so I am going to select that. And coming to the networking part, so I am going to enable an public IP to EC2 as it will be publicly accessed. And security, what is an security group? So firewall basically what kind of traffic we can an EC2 can accept, and what kind of traffic it need to reject. So that is a nothing but an firewall. So I am going to allow all the SSH traffic, HTTPS traffic, HTTP from anywhere, from any of the IPs. Coming to the storage part, by default for a free trial eligible, we are going to get an 8 GB storage, which is of 3000 IOPS, that is 3000 operations per second can be handled. So it will be free trial eligible for this machine only. And coming to the advanced part, for an beginner free trial eligible, no need to worry, just skip those. And I'm going to enable some script, basic script, whether our instance has been launched or no. So yeah, here we can see hello world hostname. So what is this, we are going to see in some few seconds. So it is going to take some time for initializing the machine. Yeah, now it is successful. After going to the instance section, now yeah, we are going to see an demo server instance which is of pending. We'll wait for some time. Yeah, now the state is running and initializing. So we'll be going to see the details of this machine. It has public IP and private IP and public DNS, that is a domain name system. If I click on this and execute it, still it is not executed. Yes, now we can see as we have enabled the script, it is showing the private IP of that machine. So .13, so here we can see the .13 as a private IP. So this is the script. So we have launched our instance successfully. Now coming to the details of this, so we have not enabled any elastic IP, and here we have got some metrics to look down the machine whether it is healthy or no. So yeah, status and alarm. So any check failed for the system, now it is fine. So as we have not done any operation on it. And coming to the monitoring part, these are some of the metrics it will be provided, like CPU utilization, network in, network out, what kind of traffic it is coming. And coming to the security part, here we can see we have enabled 443 port, 22 port and 80 port. So for all the HTTP, HTTPS and SSH from all the sources we are enabled. So and storage part, as I explained or showed earlier, so 8 GB we have got by defaultly for this machine. So till 8 GB we can manage the storage. So here we'll be having some monitoring dashboard where average read write latencies, read throughput, all that, but currently we have not done any operation on it. So yeah, we have launched our instance successfully, but we have downloaded some file. So for SSH to that machine, we'll see that we will go to the details of, let us SSH the machine from our local. So we are going to take this .60 public and public IP, and as we have downloaded that EC2 PEM file, so now if I execute this, it is asking to SSH. Yeah, we have successfully logged in or SSH into this machine from our local terminal. So this is what the authentication file is. So here, like, we can make some dictionary project, and we can build our application and deploy it, and through the server we can access it. So this is how an EC2 instance is launched in AWS. So thank you guys.